Hey guys, I'm Prathamesh Kurunkar from Team Sourcilla. So, what exactly is Sourcilla? Sourcilla is basically a dedicated platform for learners where they can share, manage their learning resources without much hassle while simultaneously engaging themselves in a community based learning environment. So, let's understand the problem that Sourcilla tries to address in a very fundamental manner. It can be described with the perspective of a regular college going student and a Sourcilla user. So, what does a regular college going student feel? So, what he feels is, why is it so difficult to find important documents at critical moments if only my resources were at one dedicated place, unlike being separated across college groups like Google Drive, Mailbox, etc., and various other platforms? So, what does a regular Sourcilla user feel? He feels that having a dedicated space for all my learning resources is so much more productive. Now I don't have to look across every possible platform searching for what I need. I can easily find it in my resource box. I can also interact with the community to learn more new things and share my learning experiences with them. So as we can infer, a platform solely dedicated towards resource sharing and management is desperately needed for learners in order to be more productive. Apart from this, Susila will establish a closed-circle community within colleges which would target the current gap between mentors, alumni, and students and give them a social platform with the purpose of imparting knowledge in various aspects like interview preparation, learning resources, examination strategies, and everything else can be fulfilled. Also, institutions can plan to utilize a product for use cases which are suitable according to their requirements. So without wasting any further time, let's go on a ride to Sourcilla and see what the product actually is. So as we can see, this is a homepage of the Sourcilla. A very normal user can will land upon this page once he clicks on the link. Then he can click on explore. There is a user authentication done here. So since I have an account ready already, let's try to log in. So I've tried to log in here. So as you can see, I've logged in successfully. Now, this is what Sourcilla will actually look like. There are certain dedicated spaces like categories, groups, interview corner, and your personal profile, which you can go through. Categories are basically the fundamental domains which a learner can experience when he's going through or trying to learn a course. So these are a few categories that we have created. There can be DBMS, machine learning, artificial intelligence, or anything else that you can look for. If you don't find a category that you are looking for, you can always create one here. So as you can see, I've created a new category here and I can always go in there and post a few things. So this is what a regular Sourcilla user can do. He can share his or her own experiences of learning, what he finds useful, share any files that are required, and share it with the community so that the community, whenever they visit, whoever wants to visit or find learning resources, can just go through those categories, look at the posts that users have created, and just see what other people are feeling, what they feel is the best learning resource, or what they feel is the best way to learn something new. So this is what a category can be for a social user. So if I look at like React.js here today, so I can look at the posts here like this. If I like this post, I can just upvote it. If I don't like it, I can downvote it. Then I can go out there and share my views on that particular post via comments. So a complete social experience which any of the modern learner wants is being given thoroughly by Sourcilla. So here I've given a comment. If I like this post and I want to refer it again later on, I can always add it into my personal box. This will be like a personal resource box where everything that I like or that I want to refer further ahead can be stored. So I can just go in my profile, I can just go into my resource box, and inside my resource box all the posts that I have been liking or I felt are useful are added here. So a dedicated space for every resource that I'm trying to use is being given to every user. So every post is being shown here. I can change my profile photo, and every the social aspect of a social media site has been provided. There are groups. Groups are basically like a private circles. I can have a dedicated private group for my use case. I can join those. I need a password in order to join those. I can create those. Also, we have an interview corner right now. So interview corner is basically for for engaging more, for creating a more close space inside a college group. For example, if I am an alumni, or if I want to impart my learning experience or interview experience to my juniors, then I can always visit the interview corner and share my experience with them. So here we have if I go into TCS, which is a company that visits our college regularly. So here are a few experiences that my seniors have shared with us. So if I go and click on this, I can look at the interview experiences that they have felt which are useful. They have shared their preparation strategies, the application process, their experience, any suggestions if they have. So I can always visit them and add my comments here. I can upvote it, and I also can share my experience which I felt was useful. So I can always go through these steps, add my experience into them, and share my views or how I felt would be the best preparation strategy. So as you can see that multiple ways of sharing knowledge and sharing their learning resources and the strategies is being imparted through our application. So this is an MVP. We can obviously improve our product, and we are trying to improve it as we go. And everything that we are doing is solely dedicated to the purpose of sharing resources, sharing knowledge as we can, and doing bringing a good college space for students or learners around us. This is what Soulzilla imparts to do and plans on doing. And that's it from our side. I hope you like the video. The link will be in the description below. You can always go through this, go through our website and share your views as well. Thank you.